Nothing will soon launch its first smartphone under the CMF brand. While the launch date is still a mystery, the company has started posting cryptic teaser that confirm a new CMF phone is coming, but don't reveal much about it. Ahead of the launch, the Indian price of the CMF Phone 1 has been leaked online by tipster Yogesh Prar. The company has also shared a short video showing bits and pieces of the back panel. Here is everything you need to know. The CMF phone is tipped to be priced under Rs 20,000. The box price of the device is Rs 19,999. As per the tipster, it will likely be a budget offering from the brand because it has always promoted its CMF series as an affordable option for users who want to try out Nothing products. The original Nothing phones cost more than Rs 40,000 when they launched, though the price dropped to around Rs 30,000 after a few months of the release. It recently introduced a new series with Phone 2A, which is targeted at the Rs 25,000 segment. So the price of the CMF phone could be under Rs 20,000, but nothing is confirmed yet. The short video posted by Nothing doesn't reveal much apart from the fact that the CMF Phone 1 will have a plain back panel with a moving wheel placed at the bottom side. The functionality of this feature is currently unknown, so the teaser have suggested that the company might offer a removable back panel, but nothing is confirmed yet. We will have more details on this in the coming days when Nothing shows off the full design from all the angles. The handset is set to feature a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The display is rumored to have uniform and thick bezels. It is expected to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, which will also be used by Oppo Reno 12 Pro. If leaks are to be believed, under the hood we could see a 5000 mAh battery with support for 33-watt wired charging. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.